Print on demand. Scam or an opportunity to build a source of passive income without a lot of risk. How does print on demand work? What are the advantages? Is it possible to start for free? And also 10 product ideas that you can sell through print on demand to make money. Today we're gonna dive into it. You're in an easy business channel, let's go. How does print on demand work? Print on demand is a simple process that lets you create and sell custom products without the need for inventory. Here's how it works. First, you design your product like a t-shirt or mug using online design tools. You can get creative with graphics, quotes, or your own artwork. Once you're happy with the design, you upload it on print-on-demand platform like Gelato. When someone orders your product, the platform prints your design on the item and ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to handle any physical products or worry about stocking inventory. You only pay for the item after it sells, so there's no financial risk. Plus, you can offer a wide range of products without spending a dime upfront. It's a hassle-free way to turn your creative ideas into a money-making venture. The sponsor of today's video, Gelato, is a popular print-on-demand platform that makes it super easy to start your own online business. Think of Gelato as your business partner that handles all the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Gelato connects you to a global network of print partners, which means faster delivery times and lower shipping costs for customers no matter where they are in the world. You start by creating an account on Gelato's website and uploading your designs. These designs can be printed on a variety of products such as t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and posters. What sets Gelato apart is its commitment to quality and sustainability. They use high-quality materials and have a strong focus on reducing their carbon footprint. This means your customers get great products that are also eco-friendly. Gelato also offers easy integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. This allows you to set up your online store quickly and start selling your custom products without any hassle. Another great feature of Gelato is its local production model. By printing products closer to the customer, Gelato not only speeds up delivery times, but also reduces shipping costs and environmental impact. With Gelato, you can focus on creating amazing designs while they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. It's a seamless way to bring your creative ideas to life and build a successful print-on-demand business. What are the benefits of working this way? Working with print-on-demand offers several unique advantages. First, there's no need to invest in inventory upfront. This means you can launch your business with minimal financial risk and avoid the hassle of storing and managing stock. Another benefit is the flexibility it provides. You can experiment with different designs and products without committing to large production runs. If a design doesn't sell well, you can easily switch it out for something new without any major losses. Print on demand also allows you to offer a wide variety of products, from clothing and accessories to home decor and stationery. The possibilities are endless. This variety can attract a broader audience and increase your potential sales. Moreover, print-on-demand platforms handle all the logistics for you. They take care of printing, packing, and shipping, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Plus, since everything is done online, you can run your business from anywhere in the world. What are the subscription prices? The great thing about starting with Gelato is that you can begin for free. The free plan costs $0 forever and includes essential features like production in 32 countries, integration with Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, and access to a user-friendly design editor. As your business grows and you start getting more orders, you might consider upgrading to Gelato Plus for $24 a month or $239 a year. With Gelato Plus, you get everything in the free plan, plus additional benefits like up to 10% off products, premium mockups, millions of stock images, branded labels, and product expansion tools. This plan is perfect for taking your business to the next level. For those with even higher order volumes, there is the Gold plan at $190 a month, or $1,185 a year. Gold offers up to 15% off products, 30% off branded labels, smart pricing for shipping, and advanced price setting. It's ideal for established businesses looking to optimize their profits. Why is your style important? To start a successful print-on-demand business, you need more than just great products. You need an interesting concept, unique designs, and a recognizable style. Your style is what makes your brand stand out and separates you from the competition. First, think about what themes or ideas you're passionate about. Are you into funny quotes, nature, pop culture, or abstract art? Choose a concept that resonates with you and your target audience. This will make your designs more authentic and engaging. Next, focus on creating unique designs that reflect your chosen theme. Use vibrant colors, distinctive fonts, and creative graphics to make your products eye-catching. The goal is to create a cohesive look that customers will recognize and remember. Having a recognizable style helps build brand loyalty. When people see your designs, they should immediately think of your brand. This not only attracts repeat customers, but also helps with word-of-mouth marketing, as your style becomes more well-known. In short, your style is your brand's identity. It's what makes you unique and memorable in a crowded market. So take the time to develop a concept and design style that truly represents you and sets your print-on-demand business apart. I'll show you 10 fantastic product ideas in the print-on-demand industry. These are profitable businesses that work with Gelato, and by looking at their success, you can find inspiration to come up with your own unique idea. One standout print-on-demand product idea is personalized film posters. Jort Confius and Wessel Groendisch turned their love for movies into a thriving business called Your Film Poster. Launched in May 2020, they offer customers the chance to create custom film posters that can be turned into stunning wall art. Their passion for film and unique offering quickly captured global interest, leading to rapid growth. To manage this success and meet international demand, they partnered with Gelato. Gelato ensures they can scale effectively, maintain high-quality production, and deliver products on time. This partnership has been key in expanding their reach and satisfying customers worldwide. Another compelling print-on-demand idea is custom map art, exemplified by Mapiful. Founded by Edwin Brabeck, Mapiful specializes in personalized wall art featuring stylized maps of meaningful places. Their mission is to create products that evoke warmth and affection for the places you love. Today, Mapiful operates in 24 countries with 85% of orders produced locally. This not only enhances their speed and efficiency, but also aligns with their commitment to sustainability. Another inspiring idea is custom running posters brought to life by Guus van Zeeland with his brand Sporty Maps. Founded in 2015, Sporty Maps combines Guus's passion for running and designed to create personalized posters that celebrate athletic achievements. Whether it's a triathlon course or a racetrack, these posters turn sport courses into stylish graphic art. Sporty Maps now offers over 1,850 different courses and continues to grow. Guus's dream of a global print shop came true without the need for physical assets. Custom artworks brought to life by Tom and Shen through their brand Born Bow. Founded in 2020, Born Bow specializes in personalized handmade illustrations such as portraits of moms and babies, using a signature style of soft pastels and nude colors. Initially, their focus was on custom gifts for nurseries, but as their business grew, customizable portraits of couples became a top seller. With Gelato's support, Tom and Shan were able to scale their operation, expanding their team to over 18 artists from 6 countries, and offering a wide range of original and distinctive artworks. Another creative print-on-demand idea is custom Oneline art, as demonstrated by Just Line, founded by Mariana Madaleno and Vicente Murao. The idea came from Mariana's desire to gift Vicente a unique one-line drawing, a single continuous line capturing their likeness. This gift sparked the creation of Just Line, an e-commerce store specializing in personalized one-line art. Mariana, with her marketing background, and Vicente, a software engineer, combined their skills to turn their vision into a business. Just Line quickly gained traction, selling over 2,000 custom artworks in just 2 months. Their success is driven by strong product, a reliable POD partner like Gelato, effective TikTok ads, and their entrepreneurial mindset. This combination has turned their creative idea into a thriving business. Another idea is vintage and pop art posters showcased by Nordhusset. Founded by Ruth during the pandemic, Nordhusset specializes in beautifully designed posters featuring Norwegian landmarks. Ruth's passion for photography and design led her to create art that captures the essence of her surroundings, like the iconic Oslo Opera House. Nordhusset's blend of unique design and effective use of print-on-demand technology has helped Ruth carve out a distinctive space in the art market and build a loyal customer base. Creating digital art from photographs inspired by Michael's venture, The Art of Photographs. Based in the Netherlands, Michael, a digital artist and photographer, turned to Gelato during the pandemic to scale his business. Now he transforms award-winning photographs into museum-quality prints, offering customers beautifully remastered works of art. Michael plans to expand his product lineup in the future, including aluminum prints and calendars, continuing to bring stunning photographic art to a broader audience. A unique print-on-demand idea is creating apparel focused on mental health awareness, exemplified by Stijan Williams' brand Disorder. After facing personal mental health challenges, Stijan founded Disorder to foster open conversations about depression and anxiety. He launched the brand in November 2021, using Gelato's print-on-demand model to bring his designs to life. Beyond selling apparel, Disorder donates 20% of net profits to Mental Health Europe and organizes talks and workshops to promote mental health education. Stijan's mission-driven brand continues to grow, supported by Gelato's scalable model, allowing him to make a meaningful impact worldwide. Natalie and Josh turned their pandemic challenges into an opportunity by launching Map of Our Life, a personalized print e-commerce venture. Combining Natalie's design skills and Josh's e-commerce experience, they created customizable map prints that customers quickly embraced. Within the first month, they were profitable. Faced with growing demand, they transitioned to Gelato's print-on-demand model. This allowed them to streamline production and shipping, reclaiming their home space and expanding their reach globally. Printic, based in Dubai, offers custom posters, mugs, and framed artwork that resonate with sentimental value. Launched by an entrepreneur who saw the growing trend in personalized and sustainable e-commerce, Printic quickly gained traction. In their first year, Printic achieved remarkable success, selling nearly 5,000 orders in their first month and expanding their product range and market reach. They attribute their growth to a focus on customer connection, continuous innovation, and a strong partnership with Gelato. But how do you create designs if you don't know graphic design software? Creating amazing products is easier than ever, even if you're not a design expert. Thanks to simple, powerful tools like Canva, AI, and Photoshop, anyone can do it. Take Canva for example, it's perfect for beginners with its drag-and-drop setup and ready-made templates. You don't need any design experience to make professional-looking designs. Plus, Canva has tons of tutorials and resources to get you started quickly. Then there's AI-powered tools that make things even simpler. Adobe Sensei in Photoshop, for instance, uses artificial intelligence to help with tricky tasks like selecting and enhancing images or creating design elements. It's like having a design assistant right at your fingertips. And don't forget about all the video tutorials out there. YouTube is packed with step-by-step guides on using these tools, so you can learn at your own pace and pick up new skills in no time. Also explore Gelato's suite of tools and apps designed to make creating and managing your products a breeze. Want to sell custom products on Etsy or Shopify? With Personalization Studio, your customers can create their own designs, like a hoodie with their initials or a mug with their dog's photo. Once they place an order, it goes straight to production without any extra steps for you. Bring your product photos to life with Gelato's Mockup Generator. It's your one-step solution for professional-looking images, helping you make a lasting impression without the hassle. Want to stay competitive and boost your revenue? Price Navigator has got you covered. Effortlessly manage your prices on Shopify and Etsy with bulk adjustments. Keep everything in sync and save time to focus on what you love, growing your business. Using Gelato Design Creator, you can create unique designs for hoodies, wall art, mugs, and more. Most people say that the functionality of this editor is enough for them to create their masterpieces. Gelato also has an incredibly handy app that allows you to tackle everything on the go. It's easy to track orders, explore analytics, and create new products in an app that's always at your fingertips. In today's fast-paced world, turning your creative ideas into a successful business has never been easier. With Gelato's powerful tools and seamless solutions, you can focus on what you love, creating and selling unique personalized products. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing business, Gelato empowers you every step of the way. So dive in, explore the possibilities, and let Gelato help you bring your vision to life. Your journey to e-commerce success starts here.